You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again. That's why I know that I won't get you. Out of my mind, out of my.
Alright guys, so I have already moisturized my skin, and you know my go-to products. I used my Neutrogena Hydro-boost gel cream. This is for extra dry skin. Then I went in with my Nivea Soft Moisturizing cream just to add more moisture to my skin because your girl is suffering from dry skin. So now that our skin is moisturized, our face, our neck, everywhere is looking good, I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows. What I got to redo. I've been using this for a while now. I wouldn't really recommend it for your face because it's not made for your face, but it works for me. So I have been using this to set my eyebrows, like my eyebrow gel. So I'm just gonna apply that on my eyebrows and then I will brush it in.
We'll be here for a while, but we both know that it don't matter now.
So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. If you saw, I was flattening the outer corners of my eyebrow just because I want the hairs there to actually stick to my skin, because this is the fox eye tutorial. I want to be able to fill in my brows and then conceal it in a way that it looks like I shaved my eyebrows, but I did not. So as I go, you guys will understand what I'm saying because I'm going to show it to you. But I'm just going to let that dry, and then I'm going to fill it in with my Morphe brow pomade. This is in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and I'm also going in with the Morphe M158 brush. So I'm just going to fill my eyebrows in with upward strokes. You know, feather everything out, because that's how I've been doing it for a while now. So let's go. So like I said, I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows with upward strokes. I'm going to bring my mirror closer to me just so I can see exactly what I'm doing.
I didn't have to sing about you. Raindrops falling down my face, aching for your touch again. Maybe it will come a sunny day.
Alright people, so this is how my eyebrows are looking right now. I can most definitely say that I ruined this one. Like, it's not looking how I want it to look. Alright, so we're gonna move on, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using my Maybelline FitMe foundation in the shade 335. I usually start from like the arch in my brows, like right there. And then I don't even want to bring it down because like this fox eye look is supposed to be like oof, you know, like I don't want to ruin this. I really don't want to ruin this. Sure, it's good. Oh my gosh, I risked it. I don't know how to feel because my eyebrows definitely look shorter. Like, it looks so short. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish it.
You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. But we both know that we don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses. You know what, I don't care. No energy to spare. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway, but your actions tell a different tale. Yeah, you say that you wanna try again.
And this is to act as a primer for my eyes. Guys, these brows are terrible. So I just set the outer corners of my brows with some powder, and And I'm going to be using this Juvia's Place palette. It's the Warrior by Juvia's. And this palette is filled with a lot of nudes, which I absolutely like. I love, this is my favorite shade, and as you can see, I have hit the pan and I'm so sad about it. First things first, I'm just gonna sweep this color, the shade, all over my eyelids. I'm taking my Morphe M153 brush. Alright, so as you can see from the picture, you can see the buildup starts from like the outer corner of the eye and a little bit into the inner corner of the eye. So I'm going to try building up this same brown shade I used in like as the base. I'm just going to try and start building up from there. So I need a darker brown shade, so I'm gonna go in with the Saharan 2 by Juvia's, and I'm taking this really brown shade here. I'm using the Morphe M503 brush. A day when I forget you. I really didn't expect to use this much palettes, but I'm going into my James Charles palette. I'm going to take this dark brown right here, and I'm also going to be using the black eyeshadow. Alright, so to finish up that eye, I'm going to go in with this really light brown shade. And I'm going to go back to the inner corner of my eye and place it here. And just lightly sweep it across my eye. You know you're still the one for me, even though we are done. So I'm pulling the shade in towards the bridge of my nose to give it more definition. I'm sure you can see the definition. You can see how much difference this makes. So we're gonna move on to our face. I'm going to start by priming my face with my Milk primer. Shout out to Tony. I used this primer a few days ago, and let me tell you, it is the truth. So the foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Superstay multi-use foundation stick, and my shade is 360. We'll be here for a while, but we both know that it don't matter now. You keep coming up with excuses, but I just don't care. No, I just don't care. Yeah, you say that you want me anyway. To highlight as well, I'm taking another foundation stick, and this is the shade 334. Setting spray. I'm going to be using this E.L.F. Cosmetics Mist and Set Spray before I start blending everything out. Falling down my face, aching for your touch again. Maybe it will come a sunny day,
a day when I forget you. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Even though I want to.
So everything is nice and blended out. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything, well, the concealed parts of my face with my Mercier Translucent setting powder. Shout out to Tony. While my under eye is setting or baking, I'm going to go ahead and bronze and contour with this same brown eyeshadow from my Juvia Place palette. I use this literally the only thing I do for contouring.
Yeah, wish I didn't. Yeah, wish I didn't. Yeah, wish I didn't have to sing about you.
So I'm gonna go back to my eye and fill out, I don't know what this part is called, but oh yeah, my under eye. I'm just gonna repeat the smoking out process that I did for this part, but I'm gonna start out with this brown shade. Let's see how it goes. As I am completing the under eye makeup, I'm trying my best not to bring the dark shade all the way into the inner corner of my eye, but instead I'm going to put it like right at the bottom. For that, I think I'm going to switch my brush to a smaller brush. So I'm going to take the same black eyeshadow and go in here. Alright, so my lashes are in. They're on right now. I got, these are lashes from INV. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. For that, I'm gonna be using my Artist Couture highlighter. This is in the shade Sugar Daddy. Using this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. It's in the shade 9768. It's called Caramel Cake. So I'm just gonna apply that around my lips. Please don't judge me for this, but right in the center of my lips, I'm going to be using my concealer to create this ombre effect. Don't worry guys, I haven't forgotten that I still need to set my face. And to set my face, I'm using my E.L.F. Mist and Set Spray.
I didn't have to sing about